Hi guys, my name is Liz and today I'm going to be going over some pieces that I used from my recent trip that we went to Colombia with my husband and a good friend of ours, and it was wonderful. I highly recommend going. And then also I'm going to be going over the bag that I used on the trip, and it was a great bag to use and I recommend it for traveling. And just another packing tip that I also have for you. So, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up or consider subscribing. I try and put out videos every week or every other week, as often as I can. It doesn't always work out, but I try to do it when I have time. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, like I said, I recently went to Colombia, and I'm going to be putting another clip up of the two bags that I recommend. I love these bags for just a personal vacation and also business, and there's a very specific reason why that the pieces work for me for both circumstances, for business or just a vacation. So the top piece I'm going to be going over is a piece. This is not a luxury piece, and so it's just Vera Bradley, and I think she has some great stuff. So, and the main reason why I love this bag and why I got this bag is for business, because right in the front pocket here is this laptop pocket. And I do not have a cute MacBook by any means. I have a large work laptop with the extended keyboard, so I think it's about 17 inches long. So that's pretty big for a laptop, and it's also a pretty thick laptop. It's not thin or light, it's heavy. So I needed the space, and this fits it perfectly, this bag. So that's one of the main reasons why I got it. And then it also has pockets on the other side for charger or whatever else you need in there. So that's perfect for a larger laptop. Fits it. It's very snug and it's perfect. And then you can just open it up, and then there's a larger section for clothes or whatever else you need. And then it also can roll by itself. And one of the best things about this bag, not only is it great for a larger laptop, but it has this little sleeve right there. And why that's so important is because it goes right on top of my carry-on, and they kind of almost connect, and it's very secure. It doesn't move around, and it's wonderful. I loved it. I loved traveling with it. It was very, very convenient. So I highly recommend this Vera Bradley piece if you need something, want something just as a vacation or a travel bag that can fit a larger laptop. So it was perfect. And then the main luggage piece that I've been really liking is a bag that I got at Target. I think it was around $100 at the time, and they're always running sales, so you can wait until they have a sale on them. And it's by Swiss. And both pieces, the Vera Bradley and the Swiss piece, have locks on them, and they're great if you need to keep things more secure. And my one tip about locks for luggage, they have to be TSA approved. If you just put a generic lock on your bag and TSA can't get into them, they will, I don't know, it might break it. So I don't recommend putting any lock on them. Try and get a lock with a bag. The Vera Bradley bag lock just looks like that. And then the bag on the Swiss is somewhat similar. So they're great for keeping everything pretty secure. The Swiss bag comes in a lot of different colors. I got the white. I love the white. And it's a swivel, so it goes all different directions, and it's just been fabulous. I'll show you inside the bag in that video. And then I also got at Target little packing cubes, and these were actually, I really like these. You kind of stuff whatever you want in these little pouches, and then zip them up. It really kind of holds everything in. And then they come in different sizes, so I got green, gray, and then a larger one. It's blue. So those are great. And it also came with, I used this other, just a drawstring bag. It's not too big, but I use that for like dirty laundry or shoes or whatever I need. So those are what I use to pack, and all those purchases have been really, really great. I've been really enjoying traveling with them. And then the bag that I use, and this was perfect for day or night. The bag that I used was my YSL bag. And you can see the little YSL logo on there. It's a very subtle. That's the main reason why I like traveling with a bag like this. And I use it as a crossbody, the long strap, and it was great. Like for day or night, it was very suitable. It held everything I needed in there. It held my camera, my phone, passport, wallet, and then I could even put more things in here, like we could snacks or whatever I needed. So this holds a ton. Highly recommend it for traveling or just kind of running around. It's kind of a carefree bag, so that's another success of mine. And so that's everything. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Give me a thumbs up or subscribe, and I will see you guys later. Thank you. Bye.